Right. Thank you for joining the channel. When you are joining this channel, you will get many activities, and these activities can boost the knowledge of your self at different contents. Okay, so today we are going to do a question, and this question has included the following contents. So stay with me in order to get something new related to the contents that I'm going to list under here. For example, simple sentence is the content that has included in the question, and a part of a sentence. Okay, there are different kind of parts of sentences. So a question is there related to this, and the other is that correlative conjunction. Okay, interrogative and types of writing. As you know, there are different kinds of writing related to those types of writing. There is a question and sentence faults. There are different sentence faults, as you know that. So there is a question related to sentence fault, and a complex sentence related to complex sentence. There is a question and related to paragraphs. It may be related to a topic of a paragraph or the central part of a paragraph. Okay, so stay with me and try to get something new about that. Okay, about that. So the first question number 1 says a simple sentence has a simple sentence. A simple sentence has blank. A, two independent clauses. B, one independent clause and one dependent clause. Okay, here don't be confused. This is dependent and this one is independent clause. C, two independent clauses and one dependent clause. D, one independent clause. Try to think in order to give the correct answer for this question and then give your answer. I will wait you for 30 seconds. Well, the answer for question number 1 is D, one independent clause. Because a simple sentence is, okay, because a simple sentence is a sentence that must have one independent clause. As we have seen, or as it is obvious, an independent clause of a sentence is, or a clause that can be give meaning by itself. So when we are talking about a simple sentence, it is to mean that a type of sentence or a type of clause that can give meaning by itself. So the answer is D. The answer is D. If you have responded by saying D, I appreciate your answer. Now let me proceed to the next question. Question number 2. In order for a sentence to make a complete thought, it must have blank. A, subject. B, complement. C, predicate. D, both A and B. Try to think and give the response also for question number 2. Okay, you might have responded. So let we try to check your answer whether you are correct or incorrect. Answer for question number 2. In order for a sentence to make a complete thought, it must have a subject and a predicate. Okay? Which means at least a sentence should contain a subject and a predicate in order to be meaningful. That is good. So if you have responded in this way, I appreciate your answer. Question number 3. It will rain either today, blank tomorrow. So this question is related to the correlative conjunction. So which word is inappropriate to be filled on the blank space? A, or, B, but, C, nor, D, also. Try to think over this question and give the correct response. Alright, you may have answered question number 3. So let's try to do together. If your answer is A or you are correct, because the question is about correlative conjunction. So the best alternative that can go with either from the presented options above is or. So it can be either or. Now let we proceed to question number 4. What end mark is used for an interrogative? A question mark, B, comma, C, exclamation mark, D, apostrophe. Alright. You may have responded question number 4. Answer for question number 4, question mark. Because exclamation mark, as you can see here, is a punctuation mark that can be used to express surprise. And an apostrophe is used to show possession. And comma is used to separate list of items. And because of that reason, the answer is question mark. Okay, at the end of an interrogative, we use a punctuation mark which is called question mark. Thank you. Now let we proceed to the next question, question number 5. Which type of writing tells a story? A, narrative, B, descriptive, C, expository, D, persuasive. Answer for question number 5. A, narrative. If your answer is this one, I appreciate you. Narrative writing tells a story in a chronological order, and descriptive writing describes something to the reader, and expository writing reveals things related to facts have proved experimentally or to answer questions related to how and why. Persuasive writing is a type of writing with which we argue against something. Question number 6. To correct a sentence fragment, you should A, join it to the independent clause it belongs to, B, add a verb, C, add a subject, D, all are correct. Answer for question number 6. A. Answer for question number 6, D, all are correct. A sentence fragment is a fault or an error that occurs when a sentence lacks clear information or misses a subject or a verb. Question number 7. A complex sentence contains A, one independent clause and one simple sentence, B, two subordinate clauses, C, one simple sentence, D, one independent clause and one or more subordinate clause. Answer for question number 7. D, one independent clause and one or more subordinate clause. One independent clause and one simple sentence is the same with a compound sentence. Two subordinate clauses are dependent clauses and are not meaningful by themselves, so cannot be complex sentence. One simple sentence is an independent clause that has a subject and a predicate, and it cannot be a complex sentence. Question number 8. They have finished the work. The underlined word, as you can see, this is the underlined word, okay, the underlined word. And the sentence is a subject, B, a noun, C, predicate, D, adjective. Answer for question number 8. C, predicate. C, predicate. Question number, question number 8 is C, predicate. Question number 9. The number of topics that should be covered by a paragraph is A, 2 or 3, B, many, C, 5 or 6, D, 1. Answer for question number 9, D, 1. If you have responded by saying this, I appreciate for your answer, because a paragraph covers a single topic. On the other hand, more than one topic cannot be discussed within a paragraph. Now, let me proceed to question number 10. What are the middle paragraphs of an essay called? A, conclusion, B, topic sentence, C, introduction, D, body paragraphs. Answer for question number 10, body paragraphs, D, body paragraphs. If you have responded by saying D, body paragraphs, you are correct, because conclusion is the part of an essay that concludes issues of the essay. Introduction is a part of an essay that gives highlighting on the points that can be discussed in detail in the essay, and topic sentence is the central idea of the essay. Thank you for staying with